Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn letter L, E and letter B with the help of short loop strokes and long loop strokes. We're going to learn letter E, L and letter B with short loop strokes and long loop strokes. For this you're going to start from the third line, loop down, loop down, loop down, down. You have to make sure that these strokes should be very nice. Let's learn long loop strokes. We'll take these loops towards the top line. Like this. Here also these loops should be very clear. Now we're going to learn letter E. For this letter E, the way you are doing this small loops, with the help of these small loops you are going to make this letter E, and it's simple making these short loop strokes and just repeat it once again. But the only thing we need to remember that it should be a slight leaning towards the right. Here, 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 like this, and you'll give away the tail and it should be between these two lines. Let's learn the single letter E. Give away the tail, again give away the tail. With this this letter is clear. See how beautifully it's written. Now we're going to learn letter L. For letter L you have to make these big loops, but the same thing we need to remind that it should be lean towards the right little bit. Loop, 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 big loop, big loop. You need to see how beautifully it is written and give away the tail. Now we're going to start a single L. Big loop, touch the first line and give away the tail. Big loop, give away the tail. We're going to learn letter B. For this B, we have to use this big loop, long loop. As usual, we're going to take it, big loop, stroke. We're going to pull it up, now pull it down, little bit curve and blink. Pull up, curve, blink, curve, blink, curve, blink, curve, blink. Now single letter B, big loop, long loop, curve, blink, curve, blink. I hope you had understand all these things. For letter E, L and B, we need to learn these loops, small loops and big loops. For letter E, we have to go ahead with the small loops. For letter L and B, we have to follow this long loops. Now pin up your worksheet and start practicing these loops.